first-year medical students at Boston University's Chobanian and Avedisian School of Medicine received medical equipment donated to them by alumni as part of the 7th annual Dr. Lorraine Stanfield Memorial Doctoring Lecture this past Monday. Alumna Dr. Anna DePaul-Holler, who is the chair of neurology at St. Elizabeth's Medical Center in Brighton, gave the keynote lecture.
I'm incredibly grateful to, go to an institution where a medical equipment day exists just because, as we all know, medical education is not cheap. And I think, having alumni who are grateful for what they've achieved in life and through this institution are able to pay it forward sets an example of how we could do the same thing as well moving forward.
Such an amazing gift to have alums supporting us along the whole way and the whole lecture. I think it was really nice to see the impact our doctors have on community health members.
It was very eye-opening just seeing how much we can be able to learn about our patients and how hands-on we need to be in order to give them a comprehensive care. So having that done on the day where we are getting the tools that we'll be using is especially more meaningful because we'll always remember we have those tools to better the lives of our patients.
So I think an event like this is very important because it not only feels official for us to get our equipment, but it shows just the generosity of alumni who've been through the process. I think it's really important that they've passed the torch to us in the form of their generous donations because we're all excited to start on the career to medicine. It'll be a long, hard journey, but moments like these and events like these just remind us that there's layers of support along the way and that we are embarking on a rewarding journey.